Breathing is the foundation of good singing. If you don't get this technique down, no matter what other technique you build on top of it, it's like building a building on sand. Hi guys, today we're going to talk about 3 ways to breathe better. We want to breathe low and fill our lungs to about 85 to 90% capacity. We don't want to breathe in 100% because then over inhaling is a thing and it creates tension. So we want to breathe low. We want to allow the diaphragm to descend and allow the lungs and the rib cage to expand to about 90% capacity. And I'm going to show you 3 ways to do that. The first way is the easiest way to do is to breathe in with your nose and your mouth as if the beginning of a yawn. But make sure that the breath is completely silent, that there is not even a inhaling sound. So there's not a gasp, it's completely silent. And you can do that very, very slowly, not very, very slowly, but slowly enough that you can feel the diaphragm descend. Diaphragm is a dome-shaped like muscle nested underneath our lungs, and what the diaphragm does, it doesn't move voluntarily. But if we allow the diaphragm to descend by inhaling completely silently, you can feel it go down, and it allows the rib cage and the lungs to expand. And breathe in to about 90% capacity. So let's try that. Exhale first. Breathe in through your nose and your mouth like the beginning of a yawn. Ready? And in. And exhale. And make sure that was completely silently. So let's do that one more time. Exhale first. Breathe in through your nose and your mouth and yawn. And out. And make sure it was only to 90% capacity, that if you over inhale, it'll go to your chest. It'll do that. So make sure your shoulders and your chest are always still, that they're not heaving like this. And then this is a good way to practice in front of a mirror so you can have immediate feedback with her to see if you're actually doing this or not. And it's just completely low. Your diaphragm descends, your rib cage and your lungs expand. The second way to do that is to get a straw and breathe in through the straw very slowly. So exhale first and breathe in slowly. And when you're about 85% to 90%, you can exhale. And you'll notice that your shoulders and your chest remain still, or they should. If they don't, see if you can go a little slower in your inhale, and just really train your diaphragm to descend and establish new muscle memory about how to breathe, so that when you're singing, this is the automatic way of singing, because when you're in the midst of a song, you don't have time to think about all these things because you're busy thinking about something else, right? So let's do it again. Exhale first. Breathe into the straw slowly. And exhale. And always feel for your shoulders and your chest, that they remain still, and really feel for your rib cage, your stomach expand. The third way to help you breathe correctly is by leaning over and inhaling. So we're going to just go down all the way and see if you can breathe in slowly. And feel your stomach expand. And exhale. And if the first 2 methods didn't work, this should help. This should definitely help. And if you still feel like there's a little bit of tension in the chest, take the straw. Let's see. Take the straw, lean over, and breathe in through the straw. And that should also help. You may not need this straw, but if you still feel like your chest and your shoulders are tight, try the straw, but you may not need to. So lean over, and if you feel like, oh, I think I'm able to breathe in my belly, then come up a little bit and breathe a little bit, and make sure it's going to your belly, and exhale, and see if you can just establish more muscle memory that way. And when you feel like, okay, I think I can breathe in my belly, then it's set up a little bit, maybe a little lower or a little bit higher. Breathe and exhale. And then eventually you want to be able to sit up straight and breathe into the belly. So try those three, and you can, when you're going down and trying to build more muscle memory to breathe in with your belly, try the straw and also breathing in one count completely silently. And one of those three should work for sure. So best of luck with training your muscles to breathe correctly. And if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.